All right, I'm ready now.
It's not far off from the water. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. So we take our bread, because there's still some water dripping out a little bit. We just shove the bread in here.
This goes back to that whole can't solder with water in there, right?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Okay, now we've got bread filling up this area here. Okay, which leaves this area water-free.
Well, how are you getting the bread out of there?
Well, when we turn the water back on, it'll bring it out. Okay, then we gotta clean our stuff up, so let's clean this up. Okay, and we gotta flex it.
You make everything look good.
Flex, 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 flex. Can't solder without flex.
You cannot?
No, you need this.
Ah.
Or the solder will just ignore you and like go its own way and not adhere real well.
Oh.
If you try to solder to a pipe that doesn't have flex on it, like the solder can just like chip right off. It doesn't like bond with the metal. It's really silly. Okay, then we're gonna take this part. We're gonna flex that.
Flex in the hole.
And then this is gonna be like that. And oh, I didn't bring my my level. Do you want to grab it? It's in the back of the truck.
Yeah, be right back.